Now, copper nickel. Okay, so this is the third thing, which is the copper having the nickel alloy. Okay, so first it was copper with tin, and after tin that we were having tin before tin we were having brass was what? Zinc. So first it was zinc, then tin. Now we are going to having alloy of copper with nickel. Okay, so copper nickel means the copper nickel alloy. So copper nickel alloy, also known as the copper nickel, right? Right. Its name is written as like both together. Is an alloy of copper and nickel, right? With the nickel content typically ranging from 10% to 30%. So in every alloying, there are certain limitations, and that limitation is on the basis of their solubility. I mean, when we are mixing two solids, each solids have their, I mean, the bigger solid, or you can say the solid in which the other solid is being mixed is known as solvent and solute. So solute, which is in a short amount, or in a very small amount, and the bigger amount that is going to be taken part in your mixture, that is your solvent. So every solvent material has their ability to absorb the solute material in a certain fraction only. Okay, if you would like to incorporate as much as you want, that is not possible, because every material, I mean, suppose in case of the copper and nickel, so copper has the ability to solvent, behave as a solvent to the solute of nickel in a certain amount, a certain percentage of their volume fractions. Okay, and sometimes their ability to absorb, suppose 100%. Okay, but still we don't use that much, because we are concerned about the mechanical properties. So what the mechanical properties that we are concerned about, if that is going to be achievable at what percentage, that is our concern. Accordingly, that we design the and then we fabricate the materials. Okay, so here what are the percentage of the nickel into the copper, which is only 10 to 13%. So minimum 10% and maximum 30%. The addition of nickel to the copper enhances the alloy's strength, corrosion resistance, and overall durability, making it suitable for the wide range of application, especially in the harsh environment. So where it is, the terms comes the applications like which is very different from the others, like the harsh environment. They are very good into the sea water. They are going to uh, going to be used in a marine hardwares. So these all are the special words that we must have to focus over, because general words comes with the every materials, but the highlighted words, or you can say which have the specific properties of being focused generally, that must be keep into our mind. Okay, so that whenever we see that okay, so these kind of things that we required, so what kind of the material that we should use, then we can think about, okay, so this particular material is suitable. Though we will further discuss their application part, how much it is possible or not possible. Okay, and what the cost associated with that all, so that all effect would be considered later on, but first we must have think about the material that are very suitable for that particular applications, and that will come off when we are having the good knowledge of their properties.